Alright, today we'll be looking at product management. So as usual, we're going to log in. Make sure that when you log in, the person that's logging in has the ability to manage products. So after logging in, we are going to go to the back office. Let us click on the back office, and we are going to go to products management. By clicking on products here, it opens the product management. Now this is how we manage product. First, we have to create groups of products. Groups is how your products are grouped. How they are grouped. This grouping is just to make it easy for you in the sales screen. You will see why. So make sure you create the groups of your products here. For example, you can see equipment, you can see supplement, you can see weights, you can see the size supplement, and so on and so forth. So create groups of products here by clicking on add, type the name, enter a code. This code is used for searching and then to make the product unique. So enter a code and then enable, make sure it is enabled. Enabled means that it can be used. Unenabled means that it cannot be used. So make sure it is enabled and then you save. After saving that, you go to products and then you click on add. Clicking on add brings up this screen. Now this is where you see those categories that you added here. You see them here. So you can select, for example, I selected beverages. I can say protein shake. I don't know if that is an actual product, but I'm just going to use it as a test. Now I'm going to enter a code. This is usually for product, is usually barcode numbers. So you can pick the product and scan the barcode here. It is usually in form of like this, something like this, or just something similar to this. Now the cost price is the price with which you purchase the product, and the unit price is the price you are selling the product for. So that's what you enter here. Tax rate, if you want VAT to be added or to be charged to the product, you enter the percentage here. This percentage is from 0 to 100. And then unit is the unit of the product. Each is selected here. You can add more units in the settings. And then alert quantity, the quantity with which a product alerts you and is getting low. Track quantity, if you want to monitor the quantity, if you want the software to monitor or track the quantity. Some products that are usually expensive, this is where you want to enable track quantity. And products that are maybe sweets or those kind of minor things, you may not necessarily enable track quantity for those. So after you've added all, I'm going to say 100 for unit price and say maybe 80 for cost price. Tax, I'm going to say 7.5, which is the current tax percent rate. And track quantity, yes, I'm going to say what it is 5. It means when this product is less than 5 or 5, you should alert me that the product is low. So this is all I need to create a product. I'm going to save that, and then you see the product here. So this is how we create products in Kruoma. I believe this video is short enough and well enough for you. And the next video will show you how to manage stock. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.